My name is Micah Campbell, and I am the Acumen Cost Analytics Product Manager here at Armada Consulting. Today I'm going to walk you through an Acumen demo where I highlight some of its major features and functionalities. So let's get started. Acumen provides the most flexible cost modeling environment with the smallest IT footprint available. It was built to be used by finance professionals without having to use large IT-centric applications. Acumen sits on a SQL Server platform which enables rapid deployment. Acumen has a scalable, flexible data model design that allows users to have the same modeling experience, regardless of whether the model has 3, 4, 5, or even more stages. Acumen uses a fully absorbed modeling methodology to provide transparency at every dimension intersection of cost assignments without the need for creation of any driver-specific business rules. Acumen has an easy-to-use interface that allows for easy navigation and model building. To the left, you can see all of the stages available in this specific model. Each stage contains its own unique dimension hierarchy. We can also see the periods available in Acumen as well. Each hierarchy contains a tree view for users to drill down to the lowest level within Acumen, which is the account level. All modeling is done at this level. When we navigate down to an account, we can now see the account properties open up to the right. The account properties can include all of the building blocks for a model. It contains the account name, the reference number, the parent. The account screen also shows all of the period-specific properties as well. It shows the cost, driver being used, and any volumes, unit costs, and unit of measures associated with the count. Down at the bottom, you can easily see the assignments of each cost to the next stage. You can also see the attributes associated with the account. Any costs from previous periods. The cost tab here also allows users to see a trend of cost over time, as well as the volumes and how unit costs have trended over time as well. Acumen also allows users to add notes and documents to specific accounts for documentation. Acumen embeds the notes and documents into the model where they can be recalled and opened directly from Acumen. We can see here for this account, we have added a note with a text embedded document. And with the note, we can see the specific details that tells us the contact information of the person that we received this driver file from. Acumen provides a variety of in-model reporting options to assist with model development. From a selected account, we can see both where costs come from as well as where costs are going. In this in and out view, what we can see on the left is all of the resources from the prior stage that are contributing expense to this specific activity. To the right, we can see where all of the costs are going in the next stage or the services. Navigating the model is made easy in Acumen by the use of a couple of different shortcuts. One is the go-to account, where we're able to just jump directly to that account that we select and we choose. Other options for shortcuts include bookmarks, which allow us to jump directly to accounts or centers that we have previously bookmarked. Acumen was created so that users could build models directly in the interface itself by defining all of the centers, accounts, costs, drivers, scenarios, periods directly within the tool itself. Or import all of the information from one of the various sources like a Microsoft Access or SQL Server database, Excel files, or text files, or a combination of the two. Importing data from various sources is made really easy by an intuitive data wizard that comes within Acumen. The user selects the file that they want to import data from. They select the source file that they are or the source tab in this example from Excel that they're looking to import information in, and the destination table. So what kind of information are we loading today? Users are then able to map the columns from the source into the destinations directly. If the mappings already exist, there's functionality within the interface wizard to import directly. Acumen also allows users to quickly clone data from one period to the next. The user simply has to select the period that the source period that they're selecting the information from, and enter the new period in which they want to clone the data. We're able to clone data for accounts, the account drivers, the driver quantities, the cost, and the volumes. Getting data out of the model is as easy as it was to get the data into the model. Acumen uses an export wizard very similar to the import wizard. Users can select specific tables that they want to export, or they can export large related data In packages, users can use Microsoft Excel as a general purpose information management tool to develop and deliver reports, charts, and dashboards by an ODBC connection directly into the Acumen reporting database. When a model is completed and the full calculation is run, all you have to do is export the data, either the entire model for all periods selected or just a single period of the latest data, and connect directly to the reporting database. Or users can also export the required hierarchies and data elements into either Excel, text, Access Database, SQL Server, for use in their company's standard information delivery suite, such as Cognos BI or Essbase. To assist in Acumen's model building process, there are a few different reports available containing various types of information to assist the modeler. The first option we're going to look at is the model statistics screen. The model statistics screen shows model stage basics from the cost in each stage, where a user can validate that they have fully modeled all appropriated costs. If in this model we would see costs that were unassigned, in the lower right-hand screen we would be able to see the amount for each one of those stages unassigned. In the upper right, we're able to see basic statistics about the various stages, like the number of distinct accounts, the number of assignments, the average assignment per account, the max assignment per account, and the minimum assignment per account. This allows the modeler to get some sort of feel or sense for how complex the model is. Other reporting options are available in the Reports feature, which includes statistics and reports based on the driver, unassigned cost, unassigned period, stage, and cost facts. We're going to look at one here associated with the resource drivers. And what we can see here is a report that shows the relative driver complexity that details some specific information about the drivers being used in this model. We're able to then directly from here export the model results into either Excel, Access, or create a PDF that stores the table of information that is run during this report. Similar to the notes functionality, Acumen has document management capabilities in which you are able to embed documents for recall later within the model. As we can see here, we've already embedded a PowerPoint presentation, a Word document, and a PDF into this model. But we're able to also import text files, Excel files, and other documents that we want to include in the model itself for various reasons. Acumen includes multiple dictionaries that are able to further document the model. Finally, Acumen provides extensive audit and logging trails that allow users to understand the calculation when the model was last calculated, able to look at the import history to understand who has changed model data or imported different information. From the import history sheet, we can see the user that imported the information, the date of that import, how the data got into the model, what table it was loaded into, the specific detailed source, and the number of information from the rows that were imported to the total amount of rows to the rows updated, and ultimately any rows that failed or were skipped. The error log then also logs any errors that could have come with the import or export or just general navigation. If there is any issues that may come, the error log will log those into the server. And finally, in the audit log, we're able to provide audit statistics about the users of Acumen. That covers the topics on Acumen that we wanted to discuss today. Thank you for watching Armada's video. Check back for other Acumen videos that will be posted soon on the basics of building models in Acumen, how to import and export data, and how to use reporting database for advanced analytics. If you are interested in learning more or how your company could benefit from Acumen, please contact Armada at info@armadasoftware.com. Thank you very much.